Anton's Days Out. On Monday, the ants look for food in the park.
Ooh! There's an apple.
I don't like working. I like swimming.
The big ant isn't happy.
Where were you on Monday?
It was sunny. I was at the swimming pool.
On Tuesday, the ants look for food at the cafe.
Ooh! There's a strawberry. It's time to work.
Oh, I don't want to work. Ooh! I love the fun fair.
The big ant is angry.
Where were you on Tuesday?
I was at the fun fair. It was great.
Wow!
The ants want a day out.
Oh, can we go to the fun fair on Friday?
No! On Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays, we work. But on Saturdays and Sundays, we have fun. Yay!